Hey guys, currently we're at Sofia VMA, which means military hospital. We're in the dentistry faculty, which is the biggest dentistry community of students in Sofia, Bulgaria. We're going to show you where you're going to take your exams, where you're going to graduate, where you're going to participate in all of different university activities.
So hey guys, it's me Iram. I'm a first year dental student and today I'm going to show you around the dental buildings and the Sofia Medical University campus. So here we are at the university campus, as you can see, and right behind me is the Sofia Medical Dental Faculty. So at the dental faculty, this is where a lot of lab work happens and a lot of classes take place, as well as exams, and the auditoriums as well as lectures are also taking place at the dental university. So right behind me is the military hospital right here, and then just on this side is the dental building. And at the military hospital, students can practice on patients, and this is where some classes can take place as well as practicals, and this is really important, this building, for medicine students. Whereas on the other hand, this is my building, the dental building, and a lot of students are in here for lab work as well as patient interaction and things like that. So I will give you a tour around campus furthermore. Here is the social area for students. This is where you relax, catch some sun, which is amazing, and the weather here is so nice. The greenery, you always need it being a student.
I just want to say that the campus is very big. It also has the Military Medical Academy, which is part of the medical university, and here is some of the students take their exams, also some university practices that they do. And in today's video we're going to talk about the perks and good sides of being in Sofia Medical University.
So one of the perks is the transportation. So the transportation here in Sofia is amazing, especially near the Sofia Medical University. Right at the footstep there is the train or the tram line, we can call it, and they go directly into the city centre of Sofia, where you can find lots of cafes and bars and things like that, and so much to do here in Sofia. So once you're done with your exam and your seminar and your lecture, you can just literally get that train there and you can go into city centre, which is really convenient and really easy to do.
Also, what's good about Sofia Medical University, you have a high success rate and a recognized diploma. So it doesn't matter if you're in the EU, non-EU citizenship, your diploma is recognized and you can go back to your home country and be a doctor, dentist, and
straight away
connected. So that would not be a problem. Also, here is the biggest dental and medicine community in Sofia, Bulgaria for students. You can meet so many different people with the same interests as you, and you can just meet new friends.
So right here in Sofia is where I found my best friend, who is now my best friend, my soul sister, and I currently live with her as well. So Sofia is amazing for that, especially the university. There's so many British students, German students, all over the world, so you will always find it really easy to fit in. I found my best friends in my classroom, and from there onwards we have been very close, and we have made friends with so many different students from different years, actually, not even just from first year. I've found some friends in third year, fourth year, fifth year, and it's so convenient. Whenever I need advice or help or guidance, I literally turn to the upper year students and the advice is all there for me.
Here is a big community, people are here to help you. There's no language barrier if you know English language. Most of the young people here and grown-ups, they know English, they're open to foreigners. Everybody's here to help you, so don't hesitate and apply now.
Another perk of studying at Sofia Medical University is the living costs. To be in the city centre, it is so cheap, honestly, compared to studying in England. Now, to do dentistry in England, You will have to pay for your apartment as well as your living expenditure, whereas in Bulgaria it's nearly half that, which is amazing. Apartments can be suited to your budget, whatever you like as a student, and whatever your budget is, we can work around that, as well as the food expenditure, transportation, traveling is so cheap out here. Honestly, I love it. It is amazing, and I wouldn't choose any other university. If me as a student, I recommend you to apply now as soon as you can, because you want to get your process started, and there's a lot of things to do before you can officially end up at Sofia Medical University.
I just wanted to ask and notify you that the deadline is very near and that we're urging you to apply, because without it you won't be able to attend and become a medical university first year.
Yeah, so the deadline's coming near. I suggest you apply nice and early and get your documents prepared and let iGeneration do the rest of the work for you. So applying early is really important.